filling in, without looking at the answers, trying to fill in some of the words that we may want to use first.
Okay.
And then just trying to write it out first, just in your own words, to see if it makes sense.
Okay.
Just to kind of start eliminating some of the words that are already in there to kind of make out if it actually, if one word doesn't make sense, then maybe the other one may, you need to have both words make sense in the whole thing. So if you look at one word, it just doesn't make sense, and that automatically just cross that one out.
So let's go ahead with step one. You're going to read the doctor.
Okay, the doctor blank so frequently on disease prevention techniques that his colleagues accused him of blank. So the doctor
made a mistake
so frequently on disease prevention techniques that his colleagues accused him of negligence, maybe?
Negligence, that's good. Okay,
Or,
so the second word's got to be something negative.
Something negative, right.
And because they're accusing him, the first word must be negative too.
Right, so it must be a negative and a negative.
Do you see what he's doing here?
Mm-hmm. Looking what could fit in there.
Right.
Is the answer?
So we need to find a negative and a negative. Okay, so let's eliminate anyone that's positive.
B.
Oh, B's out, right?
D.
Because fidelity is good.
B, D, E.
Oh, and relied? That seems to be a positive word, right?
And D is 2.
So, do we have a pen? Can we knock out some of them?
Yeah.
Okay, that's out and that's out. Wow. What is steadfastness in C? Is that a positive or negative?
Steadfastness. I think it's neutral.
When you're steadfast, well, okay. Now you're down to 2. Which one are you going to go for?
I'm going for A.
You're going to go for A.
Yeah. That's what I do sometimes.
I like it.
Like it?
Yeah.
Is it A?
Yeah, it is. The reason is, it helps if you know what steadfast means.
Right.
I don't know.
Okay. The stead is you could think of it as a part of a ship that is strong and it's not moving. When you are steadfast, you stay in that direction. Winston Churchill. Stubborn, damn straight, but in a positive way, right? When you are steadfast, you stay positively. So that's a positive, right?
Right.
So you just gotten a positive there, and you wanted a negative.
Negative. So this is out.
Yeah. So now we're down to 2. Which one are you going to choose?
Experimented.
Vacillated. Guys, it's really going to help if you know what these words mean, right?
Right, vacillated.
Okay.
Vacillated is, I guess, joke around.
Joke around, okay.
Yeah. Or maybe just not take it
Okay.
seriously.
Vacillations are when you go up and down, up,
Right, inconsistency.
up and down, up and down. Okay? Now, if you are vacillating, you're not consistent.
Right. So
Does that seem to be okay?
That's negative.
Yeah, the first one's negative and the second one's negative.
Yeah, but
You've got
also-
2 negatives.
But also D, experimented, it's
Okay.
It's not showing consistency, so the
Wait a minute. You got inflexibility, right?
flexibility, right? Not
Okay.
stable, not.
Inflexibility. I
If-
would think of
if-
it as more of a
If
not
you-
able to do as many things, not being inconsistent, but not being able to.
Let's say that you've got a technique. Would you have to be an open-minded person or a closed-minded person to try a new technique? Open-minded. Does that contradict? If you're inflexible, are you open-minded or closed-minded? Okay, so if you're, it can't be that one either. Do you see how we did that? We're attacking it from a number of angles. If we like one word, that one shows a contradiction. So we're liking this one because that's negative and that's negative too. It sure helps to have the vocabulary.
You said also sometimes in the actual sentence you'll find certain words like all, many, some of those key words that just.
Yeah, you just need one exception. and then you're out. One of the biggest things that you're going to learn in college is that teachers love to catch you on the one exception. Many people say, everyone. People know. And German people like bratwurst or like beer, right? Does that mean every German person?
That's stereotype, right?
There's a stereotype. So college is a really big thing about stereotypes. And so one of the things that we're wanting to check is, someone told me, you know, US people are ignorant about Europe. Yeah, you figured that out.
They think that Americans are arrogant.
Yeah, arrogant as well, because we don't take the time to learn. What countries border Germany? I mean, that's, right now, you guys could tell me what states are next to California, I think. It's another side of the country that we're not familiar with, but I bet you can tell me. At least 2 states that are next to California. Bam, bam, you're going like that. Okay, what states are next to Germany? That's what they want to know. You don't have to answer. So, what this person told me was, she corrected herself. She's 25 years old, so she knows. She's German, and she said, Steve, many U.S. people are ignorant about Europe. And that's what we think about Americans. Many Americans don't take the time to learn. You can blame your school, but if you don't take part of it, you know, it's so much effort. I don't know. It's just too much. No, I can't do it.
I haven't even looked this year.
I know.
No, it's true though. I mean, you're absolutely right.
Yeah.
We don't take the time to actually like.
I never.